Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a topic that is Pythagorean triplet from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Here we are going to discuss about the Pythagorean triplets. Apart from triplets, we know the Pythagoras. It means there is a hypotenuse opposite to the right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular leg and this is the base. The sum of ABC. Sum of AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is the theorem we learn the proof from the Pythagorean theorem, right? Based on this problem, we have a Pythagorean triplets. It means three numbers. Those numbers are satisfies this condition. It means if you take 2, 3, 4, apply this. Let it be this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 4 square. Check this, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is equal to 16. This is 13 is equal to 16. No, it's not equal. It does not contains the Pythagorean triplets. In our natural numbers, we have generally Pythagorean triplets. Those are 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13. These are the Pythagorean triplets generally we are used. If you check this method like 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Here 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Similarly 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Here 36 plus 8 is 64 is equal to 100. Here also 100 is equal to 100. Both LHS and RHS should be equal for this triplets only. We know that in a Pythagoras theorem based on this formula either triangle may be right angle triangle or not is the theorem about the Pythagorean theorem. Apart from that there is a Pythagorean triplets like this. So 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 5 square is equal to 25, 12 square 144, 13 square 169. Here 169 is equal to 169. This is also Pythagorean triplets. We can find any Pythagorean triplets based on the one formula, that is for any natural number m is greater than 1. We have the formula as 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Here 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. These are the triplets of a Pythagorean. Can you understand? I will explain it again. 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Let it be this side as 2m. Like this. See, this is a right angle triangle 90 degrees. Let it be side 2m. This is m square minus 1. This is m square plus 1. Based on this formula, 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to the hypotenuse, that is m square plus 1 square. So, based on this Pythagorean theorem, this is the formula to find the Pythagorean triplets. So, 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here m is a natural number. It must be greater than the 1. That is the condition for find the Pythagorean triplets. If you take m as a example, number is 12. Now, we have to find the m value. 2m is equal to 12. m is equal to 12 by 6. 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. m is equal to 6. Now, apply this m into m square minus 1 and as well as m square plus 1 also. Now, m square 6 square minus 1. Here 6 square plus 1. 6 square means 36 minus 1. 6 square 36 plus 1. Here 35 and this is 37. Now, in this case 6, 35 and 37. These three are the Pythagorean triplets. if you want to check this into this formula, that is 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. By using these values, we will get the answer. Check it. 6 square plus 35 square is equal to 37 square. Now 6 square is equal to 36. Here one value is 12 and it is 12 square. It means 144 plus 35 square means 1225 is equal to the 1369. Now if we add 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 2 3 1. This is 1369. See here, this is satisfies, that is 12, 35, 37 are the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. So this is about the Pythagorean triplets and how to find a Pythagorean triplets based on the simple formula. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.